everyone, and welcome to my channel. And I know it's been a minute, but let me tell you guys, it's been so crazy over here with my life. So I will get into that shortly, but we are here to meal plan for the week of October 1st through October the 7th. So it's already the first week of October. And we are using, for the first time anywhere that I've seen, the Healthy Heroes meal plan half sheet that just came out in the new Happy Planner Girl release. So I'm happy to be using it. What I do enjoy is that they have a place for the date. So that's something that I know that I've mentioned about these half sheets before. So we're going to start by putting our date. I'm not using any washi tape this week. Okay, so that's going to be 10/1 through 10/7. Now this is a Happy Planner pen that came in one of their kits. It's quite old, but I figured I'd pick it up and use it. Okay, so as far as sticker books and everything, we are going to use a couple, and I will share them with you. Always and forever, colorful boxes. We're going to use the Happy Planner food sticker book. And then here is one of those, what do you call it? Those sticker books that you can create yourself. There are a couple of stickers that I wanted to use in here. It'll be a combination of the What's for Dinner food pack or food. This is like a 5-page sticker book. And also, I'm going to be pulling some of these little bullet points or stars or asterisks maybe as well. So I'm just going to, it's going to be organic. I'm just going to jump in and I'm just going to make it do what it does. All right. Very good. All right, so I just haven't done this in so long. I feel so rusty, but I have to get back on I have to get back on schedule. So for those of you guys who don't know, I traveled with work last week. So that was a fiasco in itself. And after much long praying and decision making and discussion, I've decided to leave my job of 7 years to take on a new venture. So you know, as I've disclosed to you guys before, I do have lupus, and lupus feeds on stress, anxiety, and all of the above. So my lupus has just really been wreaking havoc on my body. I have been so exhausted, so sore. I mean, it's just crazy. But you know what? I have you know, made a decision so that, you know, right now I work most days from home, but I do have to go into the office. In the new role that I've accepted, I will be able to be 100% work at home. I'll still travel, but it won't be driving. Driving is just, whew, it's just tiresome. So I'm going to put my budget at $125 for the simple fact that I have not done groceries. I'm going to say in roughly almost 2 weeks. So I know I'm a horrible person. I'm a horrible wife. Whatever. Mr. Master Plan is a grown man and we have no little kids in here. Okay. But what I am going to do is I have a little cheat sheet here with my meals, and we're going to get to writing them down. So Monday we are going to have teriyaki chicken lettuce wraps. So let's get this down. And you guys know I'm of the mindset of showing that meal planning, which will eventually lead to meal prepping, is something that you can do very quickly, and it does not have to take a lot of time. All right, so that's what we're having on Monday. It's teriyaki chicken lettuce wraps. On Tuesday, we are having Instant Pot red beans and rice. Okay. Wednesday, we are having a black and blue steak salad. And some of these meals will definitely look familiar because I was supposed to make them or have them for Mr. Master Plan the weeks I went out of town, and I didn't do it because you know what? My health just didn't allow me to. And you know what? I listen to my body. If my body tells me I can't go, I just don't go. All right, and this is going to be leftovers here. And then Friday we'll eat out. Saturday will be a sandwich. All right, and then now Sunday, you know what? One week I was gonna fry some chicken. I still did not get my fried chicken. So I'm gonna do fried chicken, yellow rice, and I'm gonna do field peas and snaps. I cannot write today. All right, so we have our budget 125, we have our dates, we have our wonderful meals. So let's just get some stickers because I mean, we are planner babes, so we definitely need to spruce things up. And so I'm going to just grab out the little lunch pack here and see if there's anything that we want to put down. So I'm gonna use this little crock pot sticker for Instant Pot. That'll be cute. All right. On Sunday we will have meal prep, so we can put prep here for the meal prep that we're going to do on Sunday for the following week. All right. And Fridays, even though I eat out, is typically an order in. So we will put this nice little order in sticker. I don't know what we are going to eat. I think our little teriyaki bowl up here is healthy. So let's put that up there. I mean, it doesn't take very much. It really, really doesn't. All right. I'm going to flip through the food sticker book to see if there's a couple of things I could put down. And I'm really going to use the colorful boxes on the back for the categories. So these look like, these remind me of snaps. So I'm going to put this down here for our snaps. Yes. And we are having a salad, so we can certainly put a salad down. Let's see. Where is my salad? Salads are definitely in here. And we'll just get the ones with the strawberries. I think I need to get me another one of these books here soon. And a black and blue salad. All right. Okay, so I don't know, I like this yum here, but it doesn't have all of our color theme on it, so we're not going to use that. But what we are going to do is we're going to grab our sticker book, and we're going to, our grocery list here, and we're going to flip on the back, and we're going to just open these colorful boxes and try to use, you know, the various categories. So that completes the meal plan for the week of October 1st through October 7th. I'm going to jump online to grocery.walmart.com and I'm going to place my actual order. And I'm just going to use this as my checklist. Once again, this half sheet meal plan came from the new Healthy Heroes Happy Girl release. So I'm going to try to stick to that $125 budget, just to give you guys a heads up and upcoming schedules for my channel. So I plan to record a bunch of different videos. So first of all, not different from anything that I've been doing, I'm going to record meal plans. We will have a meal plan for next week, and it will be in preparation because I fly out on the 8th of October to start the new position. So I have to get some training, and so I'll fly out for that week. So there will be a meal plan for that week. I will also have a recollections plan with me, and that one's going to be a more recollections decorate with me because I am not going to record my actual plans on camera. There will be plans put in the planner, but I'm just trying to preserve as much time as possible. And on my classic happy planner spreads, I will continue to do them as planned. I will either alternate my mini happy planner or my big happy planner that I use for work on the channel. And those are the few things that I will be doing. And of course, as hauls come along, I'll be happy to share that with you guys. Well guys, if you think of anything else that you would like to see on my channel that I'm not currently doing, I'd be more than happy to hear from you guys. So make sure you, number one, like the video by giving me that thumbs up. Comment below so that I know that you're present, and make sure you subscribe. And then if you're not following me over at Instagram, hop on over to Instagram. I definitely love direct messenger there because I get your messages right away and I can respond quicker, and plus I get a notification on my phone. Okay, well guys, have a great and productive week. I hope you are still meal planning, and if you meal prep, hey, awesome. I'm about to get back into my meal prep groove. But you guys have a great and productive week. Ciao, Bella.